Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cook my favorite meal, which is chicken, spinach, vegetables. So that means I'll put carrots and rice, and as you can see I've already cut my chicken and I'm going to boil the chicken. That's it, they are boiling. Yeah, and it's well cooked and it's very soft, and this one it usually makes it easier for me when at work because I don't have to struggle to get my chicken from the bone. There you see, that's my chicken. Yeah, so I've taken the broth, so I'm going to put some of the soup in the cups, both for myself and my Princess Marlin. We are going to drink a bit of it. So the importance of drinking chicken soup, it helps maybe to reduce fatigue. It helps with vital hydration, provides you with vital electrolytes in the body, and also provides you with vital amino acids that reduces inflammation in the body. So I have my spices there. That's the chicken seasoning, and I have the black pepper, and I have that vegetable spices there. Holding the onions. With a busy schedule, I usually buy ready onions which have already been diced. I find them easier. I still have the others. If I have enough time I can cut them, but now I prefer buying the already diced onions. So let's fry them. And you see that I put just a little bit of the oil, just because the chicken, of course, it's boiling. And at the same time I'll be adding my spices, and as you can see here I've already put the tomatoes. I had already put the spices. Again, I'll show you what I've put, and a little bit of salt because of course the chicken I boiled and I had put salt in it. Just a bit of black pepper. I had already put the black pepper before when I was frying the onions. I had also put a bit of the chicken seasoning, so it's usually onion and paprika chicken seasoning I had already put, so I'm not gonna put much now. I'm just showing you. Okay, and at this point I've already put my carrots, and I'll leave them to cook. So I'm just going to stir them, turn them to ensure they are cooked and not overcooked at the same time. The remaining tomato I'm going to put in a plastic container and then store in the fridge. Well, my carrots are ready. Nice. So here my princess is here, Marlin. She's come to help me, and she's putting the spinach to cook. So they are the frozen spinach. Yeah, so we are just going to let the spinach cook. So we are going to stir them to mix so that they can go in the mixture of the carrot and tomatoes and the spices. I'll put some a bit of water on. That's Marlin there, but I'm gonna be taking over. And there you go. So the spinach is ready. I had not put this vegetable spice. I think it's bavelian something, and I'm just going to mix it in. It's usually a bit thick, that's why I prefer putting it at the last minute. And now we'll put our chicken. nice and soft. So what I'm going to do here, I'm not going to like mix and stir and everything, because I'm gonna remove the chicken from the bone. So what I usually do is just place them in a position where they can just sip the flavor from the vegetables. So I'm going to put them and ensure each and every piece is soaked in the soup or in the vegetable soup, just to get the flavors. And trust me, this is the best meal you can ever have, especially if you have a child, because my daughter, if you cook just chicken, she will eat chicken only. But that's why I usually try to mix with vegetables, so that I can ensure she's having her nutrients and everything is all catered for. So you see there just a bit of boiling, and I don't leave it to overcook for long, because the chicken was ready and the vegetables were ready as well. And there it's ready, and you can see the soup, the broth that was remaining. So I'm just going to boil. Yeah, so this one I'll be cooking rice. Remember, this meal is chicken, vegetables, that is chicken, spinach and rice. So let me get the heat up with the hob. I'll leave the broth to boil because it was already a bit cold. Yeah, there it is, and that's me adding my rice. Yeah, and then boil water there, and then add to the rice. And there you go, my rice is ready. See how well and nice it's been cooked, and it's not mushy or anything. Just checking that it's okay. And there our meal is ready. So I'll be enjoying this meal with my lovely, beautiful princess Marlin, my daughter. And we are going to enjoy with avocado. Well served. Yeah, there it is, all ready and good to eat and enjoy. Chicken and vegetable. Trust me, if your child doesn't like vegetables, just try this method. You cook what they like chicken or any kind of meat, beef, goat, lamb, and just mix it this way. For me, I prefer having them with vegetables. Most of my food I usually don't eat without vegetables, so I always have spinach with me, or green peas, or any kind of vegetable of your choice. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe to our channel, Lilian Shiro UKRN. Till next time, bye. Kisses, bye.